In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move columns in Smartsheet. If you've ever looked at your project sheet and thought the information would make more sense in a different order, the good news is that rearranging columns in Smartsheet is quick and intuitive. You won't be changing any data or breaking formulas, just adjusting how everything is displayed so it's easier to read and manage. Start on your project sheet and look at the column you want to move. Hover your cursor over the column header, the gray bar at the top with the column name, until your pointer indicates you can drag. Now, click and hold down on that header to grab it. With the mouse button still held, drag the column left or right to the new position where you want it to appear. As you move, you'll see a visual guide, usually a highlight or an insertion line, showing you exactly where the column will land. When that guide is in the right spot, let go of the mouse button to drop the column into place. That's all there is to it. A few helpful notes while you do this. The content in your rows stays intact when you move a column. Formulas, formatting, filters, and drop-downs in that column stay with it, and conditional formatting rules continue to apply. You're simply changing the order of columns to fit your workflow. If you're dragging a column a long distance across the sheet, move slowly toward the edge of the screen to trigger horizontal scrolling. Then keep dragging until you reach the target area. If you accidentally drop a column in the wrong place, don't worry. You can immediately undo and try again, or just grab the column and drag it to the correct position. If nothing happens when you try to move a column, it may be because the sheet is locked or your permission level doesn't allow structural changes. In that case, check with the sheet owner or an admin on your team. A quick best practice: take a moment to think about how you and your teammates read the sheet. Putting key identifiers and statuses near the left and detail or notes columns to the right often makes scanning faster. Once you've arranged things the way you like, Smartsheet saves your changes, and collaborators will see the updated column order the next time they open the sheet. And that's it. Hover, click, drag, and drop. It's a simple tweak that can make your project data clearer and your day-to-day work in Smartsheet more efficient.